totally destroyed. Cords coming through, completely wiped out. All right, let's get you in closer. Let's start different size on the other side. Somebody's been in here already. Set this up out of the way. Kind of roll it on top of the control arm. And unplug the wire here. Let go. Alright. Nothing left of these brake pads. 21, let's see if I can break them loose with the wobble. I don't know. This other side was really tight, but we'll give it a shot and see. Maybe I'll get lucky. Probably not, but you can always dream. Well, there's a teeth breaker there. Like I said, probably not. I can definitely get to the bottom one without the wobble. What is that? 21. Let's hope we get to the bottom one here. Well, I think they're a little tight. Maybe. Just a little tight. The gun won't even move them. Wow. That's brutal. That is brutally tight. Let's see. Come on. Oh yeah, got some movement. I don't know if they're breaking the bolt in half, but there's some corrosion in there. It's just piling out of there. I can see it. Wow, I can't believe how tight that was. That, for that gun not to undo it, that's pretty tight. No heat on this one, but it did move a little. Alright, let's try the gun now. Let's just see. I don't believe I have the gun set wrong. No, it's on fine. It's all the way up. All the way up. touch that. I can guarantee that's smoking. Nah, I can't get in here with this. I'm gonna sit and get the wobble in there now. Maybe there's still enough to wobble. Maybe. Wow, there's some corrosion in there. There's some corrosion in there. I gotta put this bottom one in temporarily without touching it too much because I'm sure it's hot. So it can't move on me. Oh, let's see if I can get that loose now. We're off to a good start. No, nothing broke yet. Get out of hand. I'm going to tighten that bottom one up so it doesn't move around. And then try it again. That was a little ridiculous how tight that is. That's corrosion for you. Alright. At least we got something. Alright. Off with the rotor. You can see the inside of that rotor. I'll tip it down here. Take a look at that rotor. Just torn all up. Metal to metal on the inside. Just metal to metal. Where are my pads? Well, don't know that I would call them pads. There's nothing but metal, pretty much. There's a little bit on this one. There's a little bit on that one. This one, nah, not so much. Into the metal backing. Just completely destroyed. And I'll show you why. Because the caliper, one of the boots on the caliper is broke, it's torn. We need to get the tie rod end, upper ball joint, lower ball joint, because we're going to do ball joint in this. Get them apart and get that squared away. Loose, it's moving. But I still have to put a lock on this, of course. Push that red lock up out of the way. And then I should be able to get this. There you go. So unhook it and just keep it with the knuckle. I can do that. I know the other side was going back down. I think it's a nylon locking nut, so I want to get all the corrosion off of here that I can. It just makes it easier for everybody involved. At least it makes me feel better. Go. I'm just going to put this on there temporarily so it can't go anywhere. And we're going to beat on this and get it loose. Good catch. Quick hands, at least that time. Alright, ball joint.
quick?
The what?
Can you just help me take this to the car real quick?
What do you mean help you take it?
I have with massage stuff, so I have a lot of stuff that's coming out of it.
Yeah, give me a minute. Let me just do this. Just put it back on there a little bit. So now we're ready to get that loose. Let me take the tie rod end off. I'll switch it to the other side so you can see that. All right, let that loose. Need to get the tie rod loose now. Turn that a little bit. Somebody's been in here before. Just undo that. Set that aside. Without breaking anything, without hitting the camera. Who knows? I might. Wouldn't be the first time. I won't be last. That's gonna fall right on me if I do that. It's all the way it dropped. Okay, so it's loose on the bottom ball joint as well. So now I can weasel it out of there. I got the top loose. It's undone. Let me back you up a little bit. Maybe show you a little better. No, you still can't see it. Oh man, I don't know how far I can back you up. Whoa! So I've got the top in my hand right here. That's out. It's out from the upper ball joint. And the bottom's loose. Let me take that spindle nut off. Let's get this knuckle off of here and get it out of the way. Get this loose. There we go. That's why I wanted to take the ABS with it, because that down in there is so corroded that you'd probably break the ABS sensor. I don't feel like breaking it, so we'll just set that aside out of our way. Snap ring, just tap it with a screwdriver. Let's see, might just be able to get it out that way. A lot of times it'll come right out like that. We'll see. It's loose. All right, we'll use the right tool. Get you, there's better light for you, hopefully. Watch your eyes on this. They like to take off when they come out of there. That side's hung up. The side closest to me is hung up in there. There we go. Snap rings off. Take the fitting out here. That's where we're going to push, so. Take the Zerk fitting out. I'll get the ball joint press set up, press this out of here. Before I do this, I like to go in here and just get any corrosion, dirt out of here. It just makes it a little easier when you're pushing them through. The less crud that's in there, the less you have to push through. So, just like that. out. Doesn't feel too bad, but I don't know. It's got, I don't know if you can hear that. Oh, I'll play it. I can feel it. I can hear it, but I don't know if you hear it on camera. Let me go get the new one.